Namaste children. We will be learning today addition of 9. How to add 9 at the ones rod. See, you have 1. On the ones rod, you have 1 and you have to add 9. Now see, only 8 bits are left over here. How to add 9? So recall the friend of 9. Big friend of 9. Because see, you don't have here the bits. 9 bits don't have, so you have to come to add the tens rod. So while coming that way, while coming from ones to tens, you have to remember the big friend. So friend of 9 is 1 because 1 and 9 both combine to make 10. So while adding or subtracting on the ones rod, whenever need, you have to come to tens rod by this method. Okay, so 1 you have to add 9, so less 1 add 10. See, 1 bit was there, 1 plus 9 10, so we make, now this is 10. Okay, so how to do this? First of all, we'll do practice to memorize the formula. So add 9 is less 1 add 10. Add 9 is less 1 add 10. Add 9 is less 1 add 10. Okay, this way we'll do practice of formulas. Now let's do the questions based on this. Remember, while doing these all big friend formulas, you have to recall all the small friend, family friends and formulas. So let's start. 9, add 9. So less 1 add 10. You have to remember, first of all, while adding, you have to pick your right hand. Less 1 add 10. Less 4. Less 4. We applied the small friend family formula. 3 add 5 less 2. Okay, this is 17. So while subtracting 4 and adding 3, we use the small family friend formulas. So both are combined here in these all questions. 4, 5. If you missed out that chapters, go back to watch those videos again. Okay, 9 less 1 add 10. Less 4 add 1 less 5. See, the friend of 4 is 1, but for the only on ones rod, small family friend formula, those are okay. Because see, this is 18. You have to subtract 4, so 1 will push. Add 1 less 5. Already we had done a small family friend. So this is 14. Next is 3, 5, 9 less 1 add 10. Less 5, 12. Next, 7, 9 less 1 add 10. 2, you have to less 4. Add 1 less 5. So this is 14. Now 6, add 2. Add 9 less 1 add 10. Less 3. So add 2 less 5. This is 14. Question is 19. 9 less 1 add 10. Again add 9 less 1 add 10. Less 4. 4 have to go out. So add 1 less 5. This is 33. Okay children, I hope you are very clear. If any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will help you out. I will explain you again. See you in next class. Bye bye. Thank you very much.